Hello, and thank you for tuning in. I am showing you the underside of my 1996 Ford F250 with the 12x3 rear shoes. Now, what I am noticing so far in my research on the internet and YouTube is that not many discussions are around the banjo washers that go on this rear center brake hose that your rear axle breather fitting goes through. So I ended up learning that apparently there is a dormant part number that will not work. This one, 66272. The washers on this part number, the inside diameter is too small to go around the rear breather fittings, so do not use this part number. I have been told that the 66250 assortment has two 7/16 inch inside diameter washers within this assortment. And then I thought, I wonder if there's another alternative besides this dormant part right here. And so I got to thinking a little bit, and I did try something different. These are for the oil drain gasket, but at any rate, 097829CD 097829CD is a dormant part number here, and there's a set of two in an M12, and so these were what I decided to try. And not only was there a little wiggle room around the breather fitting itself, but I have pressed the pedal at least 3 times and not a single leak of fluid has come out. So I would suggest maybe looking into possible alternatives like I did for your rear center brake hose banjo washers. Don't be hesitant to do your own research, and if you find a better washer that's going to suit your application, whether you have a Ford 8.8 or a Sterling 10 1/4 like mine or some other different axle, then by all means, don't be afraid to try it. There are alternatives out there. It's just that the Ford manual may fail to mention them, or the Hayes or the Chiltons. Have a great rest of your day, folks.